In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a Purell hand sanitizer or soap dispenser that you see on the wall. This particular model is an E as in Edward, S as in Sam 8, ES8 model. But again, this method will work with any Purell hand sanitizer or soap station. Now, usually you're going to see like a little keyhole on the very top, and it almost looks like a little squiggly line that you see right there, right here. It's like a little squiggly line thing. And there's a special key where you just push down on it and this bottom portion will pop up. If you can't locate the key, you can use like a paper clip, or I'm just going to use like a little mailbox key. And I want to find a little hole, as you can see there, as long as it's thin enough to hit that angle. And I'm going to push down, and that pops it open right there. And it's going to expose where there would be batteries and to replace the dispenser. Now, the majority of these Purells have 4D size batteries. They're real thick, and you can pretty much get them at any store. There's some that's like an alkaline battery that you can't get like at a regular store. You have to get on Amazon. If you locate it, you can just remove it and look at the model number and plug it into Amazon, and you can get a battery for it. It's pretty cheap. Or usually you'll have 4 batteries, 2 here and 2D, that you replace. Now, this particular model, the ES8, there's a coin-sized battery inside here, and it's actually part of the actual reservoir that they have to replace. And so you don't actually need a battery for it. The battery's already in the dispenser itself, okay? So you will not need a battery. The way to tell that of course, your dispenser is working, of course, if it works, but if you put your hand on there and there's like a little green LED battery or green LED light right there that turns on, you know it's working. All right, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.